Hey, this is James Pelton, and I have a passive income play that I've been kind of messing around with and checking out and experimenting with, and I just want to present it to you. And this passive income play is on Amazon, but it is not selling on Amazon. That's what you're usually used to on Amazon, right? Is your own store selling things like that. This is something different. This is the Amazon Influencer Program. Basically, how it works is you need to be an influencer, okay? So you need at least 1,000 followers. You might say, hey, I don't have that, but it's not that difficult. The company I've been working with, I didn't use my YouTube channel. Obviously, I could have used my YouTube channel and shown, hey, I'm an influencer, let me into this program. But the company that I'm working with, I wanted to see how it would work for someone that doesn't have a YouTube audience. So they created a TikTok account for me, and basically all we did was post positive affirmations, okay? It wasn't anything deep. It was just like, hey, you can do it, and things like that. And it took about 3 weeks, I would say, but we got 1,000 followers on TikTok just posting those positive affirmations every day. So once you get 1,000 followers on TikTok, again, wasn't hard, took about 3 weeks on a brand new account. Then what you can do is you can record reviews of different products on Amazon, and Amazon will actually put your reviews on the product pages for those different products. And if anyone watches those review videos and ends up buying after watching your video, you get a percentage of the sales. So it's a really cool idea. Amazon does all the marketing for you. So again, anyone who goes to the product page, your review video will be up on there. And so far, it's been working out very well for me. So the company I'm working with, they have 3 options. They have done with you, which is going to be the cheaper option. It's basically you're doing all the work, but they're walking you through how to do it. And their other 2 options are done for you. And those are pretty pricey. It's $25K for the done for you. They guarantee $5K a month after 6 months. Again, I don't know. Before you partake in something like this, if you're going to put $25K into something, have your lawyer look over the contract, make sure that you're comfortable with everything that's being signed there. But I have a done for you store, and I just want to show you how it does. I'm going to do this update every month just to show you how it's doing so far. So you can see I created the store on March 7th. It took maybe a week to get everything set up. I had to create a TikTok account. I did get a new LLC created, and then got my Amazon influencer account created. And then it took a few weeks for me to get to that 1,000 follower mark. Again, I probably could have gone faster if I had used my YouTube audience to do that, but I wanted again to show if you were starting from scratch, how would it go for you? Then it took a little while for Amazon to approve the store. So I would say from when I first created the store to when it was finally set up, it looks like it was about 22 days. So about 3 weeks. Then you can see at the end of March, I was maybe making $2 a day. So it took a little bit, and that's as they're adding new product reviews. Obviously, the more that you add, the more sales that you're going to get. And that's one thing I like about this is there's really no limit to how many products that you can record videos for. So you can see some sales started trickling in at the end of March. And then April, my first full month, you can see it was ramping up a little bit, ended up with $320 for the month of April. And then so far in the month of May, currently at $379 already for the month of May. So probably looking at about $1,200 for the month of May. So it is ramping up. So this influencer program, this is something that you could do completely on your own, okay? You could do it by yourself, 0 capital to get started, create your own TikTok account, try to get 1,000 followers, start posting positive affirmations, get your account set up on Amazon, start recording product review videos, get those uploaded, and you'll be good to go. No capital involved. The company I've been working with, 2 different options. They have a done with you program where it's basically a training course. You can save some time by not having to figure it all out yourself. They're there for you to get feedback from about, hey, which products should I be recording videos for? What's the best way? What are the best positive affirmations to get to my 1,000 followers on TikTok? That's one option. So their options are you can do completely by yourself, and it's free, no capital required. It's going to take the most amount of time. If you would prefer to save some time and spend some money, they have a done with you option where it's still you doing the work, but they're showing you what you need to do. The end goal for that one is for them after maybe 6 months to not have to be involved anymore. They'll still be there for questions and things like that. But the end goal is that this is your thing that you're doing. Then the third option, this is going to be the most expensive, obviously the most risk, but it's not going to take any of your time, is the done for you option. That's $25,000. Again, make sure you do your research before putting $25K into something like this. They do have the guarantee of $5K a month after 6 months, but again, I would encourage you have a lawyer take a look at it, make sure that's going to fit. 25K is a lot of money, okay? So make sure you know what you're doing before doing something like that. But it is completely done for you. They've uploaded probably 2 videos a day since I started. So you can see this would have taken a significant amount of time, which is something I don't have. The done for you option is what was right for me. But they've already here in the first couple of months, they've recorded over 100 videos here. Again, it would have taken me a long time to do that. So if you value your time more than your money, then maybe the done for you option is what's right for you. If you want to get started, you can start no capital up front on your own. I'll leave a link to the Amazon Insert program. You can get started there. If you're interested in the other 2 options, the done for you, which is what I imagine most people will be interested in, I'll leave a link to schedule a call and make sure you get all your questions answered. Make sure it's something that you're able to devote the time needed to do. Make sure you are super clear on how everything's going to work before you send any money. And then also schedule a call if you're interested in the done for you option. And let me know, hit like if you like these things. Again, I'm scouring the internet for passive income plays left and right, and gonna just experiment with them and put out what I think about them, how they've been working for me. But if you would like, another idea I had was for an NFT to fund a done for you store. Again, if we sold 50 $500 NFTs, that would be our 25K to get in the done for you store. And then if they're able to do 5K a month after 6 months, that would be $100 a month that we would be able to airdrop out via the NFT. So if that's something you'd be interested in, let me know. I have a couple other NFT ideas I want to do before that one, but I think that has a lot of potential. So let me know in the comments if that's something that you would be interested in. So appreciate you guys. Let me know if there's other passive income plays that you'd like me to look at. Again, I'm mostly looking for real revenue. What interests me about this is my Amazon dashboard, and there's actual money coming in. I've received this money, okay? So I know there's actual revenue. You can see down here how much I've sold and then how much I get commission for. So these are all people that watched these videos that I uploaded on my Insta account and then bought. And then this is the commission I get for them. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for joining me in this journey for passive income, trying out different things. Really enjoy it. I'm going to be in Dubai this weekend, meeting with the GS Partners team. So I'll keep you updated on that. Also going to South Africa with the BioFi team in a couple weeks, and I'll keep you updated on all that. But I appreciate you guys, especially if you're a part of my community. Thank you so much for your support. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.